Yeah, close hold, nice and close. No. Looking great. Look at where we're pointing. We're pointing further upwind than you, or tighter. It's a good gust right now. Let's go. Yeah! Hey, your boat's got a dirty bottom. Keep going, son, you're killing it. Good wind here. Wow! You're doing so good. So good. Holy shit, I'm so proud. Okay, tack when you're ready. Okay, we're tacking too. Yeah? Well, you're gonna get strong yet. I know, you're doing great at it. Here we go. So sometimes if you loosen your sail a little bit, you loosen your sheet just a slight bit, as you make your tack, it helps you pick up that wind, but you're good now, you don't need it.